The original Pokeball. What's in it? What is in it? Hopefully some good packs with some really good things. Easy to open. That's a good sign. What do we got? What do we got? Sun and Moon. Burning Shadows. We got an Evolutions pack. And then a regular Sun and Moon base pack. With Incineroar. Love Incineroar. What's the pin? Who is the pin? Oh, Zeora. Very cool. Add that to the collection.
Alright, what are we doing first? Let's save Burning Shadows for last because I'm really hoping for Charizard and Burning Shadows. Let's see what happens. Evolution. Still looking for a really good box racer. Charizard as well. Honestly, let's just see the thing. You never know. It could be complete
Absolute crap pulls. And when I say crap, I mean real crap. Let's see what happens. Evolution has been the kindest to me. So let's see. There's the game code. Let's go with that number 3. And we turned it. How are we going to do it? How are we going to do it? Let's see. Energy. Trainer. Metapod. Doduo. Staryu. Seal. Charmander, come on, be a good sign. Magnemite. Oh, look at that. A Nidoking break. Not too shabby. Evolution with a win again. Seriously, oh my god, Evolution. Thank you. Thank you. Putting that in the nice squeaky sleeve. Sun and Moon. Let's see what we got. Fingers crossed. What do we got? Let's keep this great ball rolling and get a really nice, awesome pack again. Let's see. Ding. All right. Let's turn that over. Let's do those 3. Let's turn this back over. What do we got? Metapod is number 1. Team Skull Grunt, Pinsir, Carvana, Snubbull, Wingull, hopefully doesn't poop on me, Lillipup, Cosmog, I like your evolution better, and a Hollow Corsala, and Cloyster with the energy at the end. So, evolution is definitely in the lead. Please, Sun and Moon, Burning Shadows, we want that. We want that Charizard. Come on, give me a Charizard. Pokeball. Original Pokeball. Come on. Came out of an original Pokeball. Should be a Charizard. You know? Let's just make it easy on me. Let's make it a great night. Okay, not too bad with the pack opening. Hopefully that's a good sign. Alright, we got the card code. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Third card doesn't look so well taken care of. Alright, Trainer, Sophocles, or however you name him. Ribombee, Solrock, Sock, Noibat, Stuffle, Mudbray. I feel like I see something cool back here. Dynamo. What do we got? Zygarde. Ooh, a hollow Zygarde. And then look at that full art Guzma. Nice. Very cool. Not the Charizard, but a full art. And the energy at the end. Not too shabby. Very cool full art. I like that one. Thank you for watching, everybody. That's the opening of the Pokeball.